Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Rita F Brewer for you. Oh, how are you guys doing? This video, watch my video if you have not. Grow your hair with me as I do my own DIY for hair growth. Grow your hair with me as I do my own DIY cream mix. It's very important for us to keep our natural hair. And also guys, check it out how I grow my hair, how I cut all my hair damaged by straightener, and how I regrow it back. So this is a short video to let you guys know that hello, my DIY for hair growth is still there. All right guys, let me take you guys what I'm cooking today. Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I'm in my kitchen. Wait. Let's see my kitchen. My kitchen looks so empty. What can I cook today? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, I don't know what to cook. I need to think. Let's see. Oh, what is in my pot? It's really empty. No, it can't happen. Okay, I know. Let's cook palm butter with a little bit of peanuts inside. Yeah, I know you're ready for it. Let's do it. So I have my garlic, onion, ginger, my okra. This is my garden eggs, okay? And I have my pieces tomato paste also in the can. And this is the magic palm butter. Yes, I know you guys saw me going to the African shop. This is my Maggi, this is my Vegeta, and this is my salt. It's not ginger, it's salt. I just put it in there. My fresh fish. I like fish, guys. And this is cut fried fish. And this is my goat intestines. And this is also my goat meat, my boiling chicken and beef. And this is my dry fish. I'm just gonna put two because that one is salty. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys to watch this video. Don't forget to follow me for more. Go to my YouTube channel, Rita F Brewer, and subscribe. All right, God bless you. Watch the video. Okay, all right, guys, I know you saw me cooking the rice or my children are eating. I forget to upload this video. So this is normal rice. I cook it soft, and then I'm gonna do it as fufu, or shall I call play-doh or banku. So this is how we do the fufu. This is how we do the rice balls. You can eat it with peanut butter, you can eat it with okra soup, you can eat it with palm butter soup like the one I've done. So I'm just gonna fold it and I'll show you guys how I do it, and then after that I'm gonna do fufu. I think the video is already uploaded already, so I'll leave you guys to watch it. If you have any question, please put down on the comment. So this is what we call rice balls from Africa, Ghana. Now I'm gonna do plantain fufu. So I have two different types of plantain. The one on the left forward is hard, this one is hard, and this one is soft. So I mix them together, and this is my starch. Okay, this is my rice starch. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the fufu, mix it with water, and then put it in the microwave and then get it done. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to go to my YouTube channel, Miss Rita F. Brewer, and subscribe. God bless you. Watch the end of the video in my video list, and then you see how it ends, how my children eat. Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Thank goodness. I was going to...
Yep.